Yo, what's up? So, today I'm gonna show you how you can make a game in a Unity with help of the fucking AI, the ChatGPT, and it's fucking so easy and it's gonna fucking help you a lot because it's free and it's fucking so fast. So yeah, as you can see here, we have like a lot of assets, a lot of fucking like 3D models and scripts, but the 3D models and assets are fucking like free. You can fucking download them on websites like Scratchfab. As you can see here, we have a lot of scripts on here, and the all of scripts you are seeing right now are fucking was fucking making them with fucking ChatGPT. You know what I'm saying? You need to fucking like use AI. They fucking like made the 3D model with the AI nowadays. That's fucking insane. You know what I'm saying? The ChatGPT gonna fucking like tell you how to use it and how like the scripts are working. You know what I'm saying? So you don't need to fucking know that much about the coding in like Unity. If you are a fucking one person or you are a small studio with a 2 or 3 person, that's gonna fucking help you a lot. So yeah, so basically the thing you need to do, I'm gonna show you an example. Right now you can see my game have a movement system. As you can see, there is a visual joystick on here and a jump button. And also, the ChatGPT helped me to making them for my game. I want to like when my character who is a fucking like a school head touch the fucking that object, a school, my character get fucking like teleport on top of it. And yeah, we need to type what we want in ChatGPT. So I'm gonna open the ChatGPT and I'm gonna fucking like type my prompt. As you can see, I'm saying give me a script that teleport the player to a specific location for the player, the object with the player tag, collide with the teleport trigger object. Okay, so we type what we want and ChatGPT gonna fucking give me a fucking like a whole script for free and fucking fast. There is a fucking one thing you need to make sure about it. You need to name your script who you're gonna make in Unity to the name of the public class who ChatGPT made for you. So as you can see, I'm gonna fucking copy that and I'm gonna fucking like just made a script with that name. So Unity can fucking like recognize our code. After that, we can just copy and paste everything, and as you can see, there is a steps to how to use it. We need to attach a script to your fucking like an object. After that, we need to set up the teleport destination and configure the trigger object and tag your player. So yeah, after we do those things, we're gonna try and see if it's gonna work or not. As you can see, it's working fucking perfectly. And yeah, so you can make a script, you can like question whatever you want to ChatGPT and it's gonna fucking like give you an answer. As you can see, like I was having an issue with the fucking like a lag for my game. So I asked ChatGPT to fucking like help me, gave me an advice to how I can optimize my game, and it fucking like helped me a lot, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so help me with fucking your likes and subscribes, and yeah, have a nice day.